a team you can trust. Big O Tires.
The preliminary hearing was held today for suspect Ashley Winn at the Pahrump Justice Court. Winn was involved in a suspected DUI accident on September 24th of 2016 at the corner of Honeysuckle and Dandelion Streets that resulted in the death of 33-year-old Christine Weir and injured Weir's fiancé, Brian Choniere. Winn has been charged with DUI involving death, DUI with substantial bodily injury, as well as failure to stop at a stop sign. The proceedings started at 9 a.m. and went into the afternoon after witnesses were called to recount the events that occurred in the early morning hours at the scene of the accident. Brian Choniere, who was set to marry in just 23 days to Christine, was driving his white Camaro when he was allegedly struck by the truck driven by Winn. Christine was in the passenger seat. Choniere testified on the details of the accident.
That's what you observed.
She was slumped over against my right arm.
Did she appear to be conscious at that time?
No.
Could you tell if she was breathing?
No.
The case was originally on the docket of Judge Kent Jasperson, but he recused himself because of complaints of a possible conflict of interest. Judge Glasson from Northern Nevada presided. One of the points that was made today was that the first officer at the scene, Deputy Harry Means from the Nye County Sheriff's Office, was a close friend of Ashley Winn. In fact, he stated that he had previously rented a room to the defendant.
Mutual friends. At one point, I rented a house to her.
Okay. Is she here in the courtroom with us?
She is.
Can you just point to her and briefly describe her clothes?
Green jacket, black shirt.
Means never took Winn into custody. The Nevada Highway Patrol actually did after they arrived at Desert View Hospital, where Winn was taken following the collision. One issue brought forth was the time it took to get a blood alcohol draw done on the suspect, which was done almost 2 hours after. Nevada Highway Patrol's Major Accident Investigation Team took over the case from the Nye County Sheriff's Office and ordered a second blood draw on Winn to determine how long it takes her body to metabolize the alcohol she allegedly consumed earlier in the morning. We spoke to Deputy District Attorney Michael Vieta-Kabell about the case.
Under Nevada Revised Statute 484C110, there are multiple theories under which the state can prove a driving under the influence charge. One of those theories is if a person is found within 2 hours of driving a motor vehicle to have a blood alcohol content of 0.08 or greater, then the person is guilty of driving under the influence. That can be rebutted by evidence presented by the person that during that 2 hours between driving and having the blood draw occur, that they did consume alcohol. So it's not, just a shortcut that we can use. We still have to present sufficient evidence to show that the person didn't interveningly consume alcohol.
After the proceedings were finished, Winn's attorney, Thomas Gibson, commented.
Because of the unusual publicity it has received, it's hard to get a fair trial, so I'm going to be petitioning the court to hear the trial. And all the other stuff can happen down here, but in the trial itself, I want to move to be heard in either Tonopah or Goldfield.
Several family and friends of Christine Weir attended the trial. They were all dressed in orange, Christine's favorite color, and had the phrase "Justice for Christine" written on bright colors on their cars. We spoke to some of the friends and co-workers of Christine from Walmart about their feelings on the trial.
Orange was Christine's favorite color, so we all wear orange to support Brian as well as, remembering Christine.
Ashley Winn will be arraigned on March 13th in Department 2, Judge Lane's courtroom at 9 a.m. This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 46.